Tired of payment hiccups interrupting your creative flow? Let's quickly set up PayPal as your payment method for Adobe Creative Cloud, ensuring seamless access to your favorite design tools. First, head over to Adobe.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for Manage Plan, Edit Payment Info, or a similar option related to your subscription details. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your plan. You'll likely see your current payment method listed here. To add or switch to PayPal, click on the Edit or Update button next to your payment information. Now you should see options to add a new payment method. Choose PayPal from the available selections. A window will pop up, redirecting you to PayPal's secure login page. Log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Double-check the details on the PayPal screen to make sure you're happy to authorize Adobe to debit your account for your subscription fees. Once you've confirmed on PayPal, you'll be redirected back to the Adobe website. You should now see PayPal listed as your active payment method. A confirmation message usually appears to confirm the change, and that's it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Enjoy creating worry-free.